In this video, you will learn how to upload your website on Ionos. Log into your Ionos account, go to the Ionos website and sign in with your customer credentials. Open your hosting package. From the dashboard, navigate to Hosting, Website and Shops. Access the File Manager or FTP settings. Use the File Manager for direct uploads, or use the FTP login details if you prefer using their client. Upload website files. Upload your HTML, CSS, JavaScript or other web files into your root directory, often named /htdocs. Connect your domain. Ensure your domain is linked to the hosting package so it points to your uploaded files. Test your website. Open your domain in a browser to confirm the website is live and working properly. Now you know. Now you know how to upload a website on Ionos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.